Good morning, guys. We arrived into Norfolk last night. We're only here for 5 days and the plan is to start from here in Holkham and travel along the coast all the way to Great Yarmouth. I feel bad. Good morning, guys. We arrived into Norfolk last night about 12:30 and as we got into the Hunstanton area we were greeted by wild deer and hedgehogs. It was beautiful, but we found ourselves a park up here at North Beach. Is it? Mm-hmm. We checked out South Beach, which was on park for night. However, it had really like blatant signs about no overnight camping, and I know I typically like ignore them, but this one was like no sleeping in your vehicle, no cooking and things like that. It was really explicit, so I was like, I'll respect that and I'll move to the next car park. So we stayed here. It was £2 for overnight, but really we should have just bought a 24-hour ticket for £6, but hey ho, that's life, especially when you arrive in so late. We were just really shattered. And just so you know, this park up has 2-metre barriers on the entrance, so my van fit nice and snugly through. I believe there are about 3 parking spaces on the outside of the car park for motorhomes only, but you'll need to check that out. And a tip already is to download the Parking Ops app if you come to Norfolk, because it looks like quite a lot of the car parks along the coastline use that app, and then that way at 8 in the morning when our ticket expired I was able to buy a new one from bed. So plans right now are to get some breakfast down us, and we're at Holkham Beach, North Beach, sorry, I should have said that, and then to head over for a little beach stroll this morning, which I'm excited for because we have not seen the sea in months. Yay! Everyone say good morning to Sam.
Hello.
You're just ahead. And this is the view. To the front of us it's lots and lots of caravans, and then to the side are all these cute little beach huts, so you know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get a photo with them, aren't I? So Sam and I have just been on a little stroll down the promenade. It's really pretty, and it's nice seeing all the bright coloured beach huts. There's so many happy vibes. We're only here for another 30 minutes. We had no intention for staying for very long, and nor do we have any intentions in staying anywhere for very long this trip, as we're only here for 5 days and the plan is to start from here in Holkham and travel along the coast all the way to Great Yarmouth. So we're about to pack up the van and head to the next stop. We are now at our next stop in Hunstanton, and we have parked on Cliff Parade, which is a road in between Hunstanton Old Beach and the town. So we're currently on a little walk checking out the town, and then we're going to head all the way back and see the cliffs and Hunstanton Old Beach on the way. So let's go check it out. So we've just been into Hunstanton town, and considering I had so many recommendations to come here, I don't think it really met expectations, did it?
Not at all.
It was cold, windy, nothing really going on.
It's dead.
Yeah. I do know that obviously there's COVID and it's a Friday day, so it's probably a very different vibe to a weekend, because the amusement parks didn't really like have anything going on, so the buzz just wasn't there.
No, I mean, I've been here, well, I came here a couple of years ago I think now, and it was very different vibe to then, and it was nice and sunny. But like you said, I guess it's a weekday, so and COVID. Yeah, because so you don't really want to touch all the rides that everybody's been on.
You even said, oh, let's go Hunstanton. It was really nice, so we got excited to come here. But it's just, I guess, like any traditional British seaside resort, apart from nothing's going on. So yeah, maybe it's just wrong timing. I feel bad.
So after our very depressing walk through Hunstanton, we're gonna stop for some lunch and we're gonna have some delicious tomato soup.
Yummy yum.
And then after that we're gonna carry on our walk down to
Old Hunstanton Beach.
Old Hunstanton Beach.
And Sam is chef.
And Sam is chef again.
We are now back at the van, having a little sipple. That sounds like we're sucking on nipples. But we've just been to Old Hunstanton Beach and the sun was out. It was cold walking there though. And
it's definitely redeemed itself as compared to the new town, which is
absolutely not as good. So if you come here, make sure you go to Old Hunstanton Beach, not into the town, unless you want to hit the arcades and things. But like we said, we've got 5 days, so we're going to go to the next stop.
Pack some sunglasses as well, unless you like sand in your eyes.
We're like this. Oh, you're nice and warm. Let's go. We're now at Brancaster Beach. That's right, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Brancaster Beach. It's about 4:30, so we've got a few hours till the sunset. So we're gonna go and have like a little
beach day.
A beach day.
Get some ciders and some beers and go to the beach and chill out in the nice cold air.
Cold air. The sun is out, which is nice, but when the wind is blowing, it's freezing. So we're gonna get our jackets and stuff on, aren't we? And get all cushy over on the beach. So we'll catch you there. So we've been at Brancaster Beach now for about 2 hours, and we were reading, drinking cider and things, but it started to get really, really cold. So we decided to head back to the van. It's 6:30 now and the sun sets at around 8. So we're going to try squeeze in one more stop today. So we're going to head there now. It's another 13 minutes away, and then we're going to find a park up for the night. We have found our park up for the night. It's just on the side of the road. It's just a little car park. there's probably a space for about 3 or 4. It's not on Park for Night or anything. Everything on Park for Night was in the town and costs a bit of money, and we keep spending money on parking, so we've decided to just pull over here for the evening. And we have been greeted by a wild deer. You won't be able to see it, but it's tiny and it's over there. So Sam and I have been cold all day, so the van doors are shut even though the sun is out, and the heater is on, which you can probably hear powering up in the background. A little update on that actually is now the sun is out for much longer, till about 8 p.m. I don't need to put the van engine on to get it going, so that's good, because also in the morning as well I don't need to get out of bed to put the engine on. I can just turn it on from the remote in bed and stay nice and cushy. But we're gonna have some dinner now, just a bachelor's pasta packet, either macaroni or broccoli and cheese. So we're gonna leave you here now, as we're just gonna be chilling out for the rest of the evening, Netflix, reading more and just cuddling up and getting warm. So we'll catch you in the morning. Night guys. Good morning guys. It's nice and sunny. We're just popping we're just popping the bed away, and then we're gonna head to where are we?
I ain't got Holkham.
Holkham Nature Reserve, and then in the afternoon we'll be going to Wells on Sea. Wells on Sea.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get ready. We're now at Holkham National Nature Reserve. We've just parked up. We're going to buy an all-day ticket, which is £9. I think that's a little pricey, but hey ho, we can park here till 9 p.m. So we're going to go on a walk from here to Wells next to the sea, not Wells on the sea. I'm going to just call it Wells. So yeah, we're going to do that, a big walk, get some lunch there, and then come back later on. So let's head out on the walk. What have we got?
Pizza option.
You're good at this.
We've got a margarita pizza, some salad and some chips.
Mm-hmm. I am absolutely shattered. We've just done about 5-6 miles from Holkham to Wells. It was lovely walking through the pine forests along the coastline into Wells and seeing a town alive, which is nice. We got a pub meal too, some pizza, chips, salad, and it was a very dog friendly place, so definitely recommend it for anyone with dogs. There's also a beach where there's a dog side and a non-dog side, and even though I don't have Onyx, I still sat on the dog side just so I could see all the dogs having fun at the beach. Anyway, so we've now headed back. We're at the car park, which we paid for all day. We just need to decide if we're gonna head over to the next stop or stick around here for a bit. Sam's out in the sun, but I was like, I just need to go inside. I need to do some work and I may have a nap. I don't know how I'll do both at the same time, but I will manage it. So it looks like we're going to Stiff Key.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Stan has bought the world's biggest apple. Look, it's as big as my head. You're so gross. He's just farted in the background. It's just a bit mushy, baby. Anyway, we're now at Blakeney, but we parked in a free community hall car park. It is actually signposted to say free parking this way. Because all of the car parks along the coastline cost money, and we already paid £9 for the parking all day at Holkham, so we didn't really want to pay again for another park that you can't actually stay at overnight. So we're gonna chill here for a bit. I've got some work to do, and then we may head over to the beach a bit later, but we'll just walk it because it's not actually that far. So yeah, we'll catch you in a little bit. So I have nearly finished working, and we've decided to move on to find a park up for the night that has signal, as we've not been able to find signal anywhere. So we checked on Park for Night and headed to the next closest park up, and it is beautiful. Definitely the best one we've stayed at so far here. Like, guys, just look at this. We are literally surrounded by marshlands. It's absolutely stunning here. We're not even supposed to be this far down the coastline yet, so tomorrow we're going to have to turn back a little bit, but it was only 9 minutes away from the destination that we're heading tomorrow. But anyway guys, I'm going to call that a wrap on today's vlog, and I will catch you in part 2 of Norfolk next week. So I hope you've enjoyed joining us on the road, and I'll see you then. Ciao!